Just a quick rundown of what an optimized social media profile looks like so you can hack it for your own accounts.
Let's start off with Facebook. So you can see here, I actually have an image that's branded to my personal brand. Shows me working away. It also has some keywords on the photo, which is very important, and my website. If you scroll down, you'll see that I also have a description in my bio. It tells people exactly what I do and who I serve and gives them another chance to connect with me. Let's move over to Instagram, where you can see I have something similar going on. It talks about who I am, sales copywriter and consultant, founder of Wordy Mama, copywriting coach and trainer, and then gives them a chance to connect with me in the link in my bio. I also have my YouTube channel link. Finally, TikTok. TikTok is the platform where I show up the most for you guys. So my description says I help Wordy Mamas make money from home as freelance copywriters, with the link to connect with me.
Ready to get optimized? Drop a comment below and let me know which profile you're going to do first, and follow for more freelance copywriting mama tips.